proud of you.
To get this far, right?
Yeah, you did so
That's
good.
the first step.
Yeah.
You can write it out.
I know. Okay, we turn it off for a second and back in. Oh my goodness, my hand keeps hitting. Welcome to the kitchen where we make everything but pasta. Today we're going to be making delicious chicken pita sandwiches. This is one of our go-to sandwiches for summer picnics and also when we go on a road trip. So let's get started. For this I have 2 chicken breasts cut into half-inch cubes, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of salt, 1.5 tablespoon of tandoori masala powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 3/4 cups of yogurt, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. We'll start by adding the yogurt to the chicken, then add the ginger garlic paste, salt, and the tandoori powder. Mix until it's well combined. I like to use the Kisan tandoori masala, which you can purchase at any grocery store. I also like to use the full-fat Astro brand yogurt, although you can use any other brand that you have on hand. Now cover the chicken with a plastic wrap and marinate in the fridge for 2 hours or up to 8 hours. After the chicken has marinated for a few hours, we're ready to start the cooking. In a pan over medium heat, add the oil and cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start to pop, add your chicken and mix well. You can rinse the dish with a little water to get all the spices and add it to the pot. Now let it cook on medium heat for about 20 minutes or until the chicken is dry. You will notice that the chicken and the yogurt releases quite a bit of water, so you won't need to add any additional water for the chicken to be thoroughly cooked. Once ready, transfer the chicken to a plate and start assembling the sandwiches. For the garnish, I've shredded 2 carrots, 1 English cucumber, and 1 head of iceberg lettuce. You'll also need 6 pitas that are cut in half and open to create pockets. Start by adding the garnish at the bottom. Add a generous portion of chicken. We like to have our sandwiches a little spicy, so I also drizzle a small amount of Nando's hot peri-peri sauce. You can also purchase this at a grocery store. Top with additional garnish and your sandwich is ready. And if you're not eating them immediately, they can be wrapped up in some plastic wrap to keep them from drying out. And there you have it, our delicious chicken pita sandwiches. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of our favorite recipes. And thanks for watching. Bye.